Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced electric vehicles shaping the future of mobility, the Xpeng X9. This isn't your average family car. It's a luxurious, all-electric MPV that fuses cutting-edge technology, first-class comfort, and thrilling performance. The Xpeng X9 represents the brand's bold vision of tomorrow's family travel, smart, connected, and unapologetically futuristic. Over the next half hour, we'll uncover every detail. Its aerodynamic design, intelligent interior, performance, charging capabilities, and autonomous driving tech. By the end, you'll understand why many are calling this machine the Tesla killer of MPVs. Exterior design segment. At first glance, the Xpeng X9 looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a smooth, sculpted body that feels more spaceship than minivan. Up front, Xpeng's signature split LED light bar stretches gracefully across the width of the car, creating a striking, high-tech look. There's no traditional grille here, just a clean, aerodynamic surface designed for efficiency and elegance. The result? An ultra-low drag coefficient of 0.227 kg, remarkable for a vehicle of this size. Speaking of size, the X9 measures 5.29 meters long, nearly 2 meters wide, and 1.79 meters tall, riding on a 3.16 meter wheelbase. Yet, despite its large dimensions, it's surprisingly nimble thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame, high-strength steel structure, and rear-wheel steering system. Pair that with adaptive air suspension, and you get a ride that feels like floating on air. The system even lowers itself at highway speeds for better aerodynamics, and raises on rough terrain for extra comfort and safety. Visually, the Xpeng X9 is sleek, futuristic, and commanding a true head-turner on the road. Interior experience segment. Open the doors, and you step into what feels less like a car and more like a private luxury lounge. Every detail of the Xpeng X9's cabin has been crafted to make passengers feel like VIPs. It's a 7-seater in a 2-2-3 layout, with wide, plush captain's chairs in the second row. These aren't just seats, they're zero-gravity recliners, equipped with heating, cooling, and even massage functions. Perfect for long drives or quiet relaxation. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, with soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the space with natural light. Up front, the driver's cockpit feels pure sci-fi. A 12.8-inch central touchscreen and an 11.9-inch curved digital cluster that merge seamlessly into a panoramic display. Everything runs on Xpeng's X-Smart OS, powered by Android Automotive and Qualcomm processors, ensuring lightning-fast response times and smooth app performance. From navigation and music to video streaming, everything you need is just a tap away. And for those sitting in the back, the massive 21.4-inch rear entertainment screen turns every trip into a cinematic experience, whether you're watching movies or gaming on the go. Need space? The X9 delivers. Fold down the third-row seats, and you unlock up to 2,554 liters of cargo capacity, enough for all your family adventures, road trips, or camping escapes. Closing segment. At its core, the Xpeng X9 isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. It redefines what an MPV can be. Elegant, electric, and effortlessly intelligent. So buckle up, because this isn't the future of driving. It's the future now. Xpeng X9 offers two powerful configurations that redefine what an electric MPV can do. First, the rear-wheel drive model packs a 235 kilowatt permanent magnet synchronous motor that's roughly 315 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7.7 seconds. Not bad for a full-size family mover. But if you crave more adrenaline, the all-wheel drive version is where things get serious. By adding a second motor to the rear, total output jumps to nearly 370 kilowatts, about 500 horsepower combined. This version hits 0 to 100 0-0 volt architecture, it delivers blazing fast charging speeds. Plug it into a compatible ultra-fast charger, and in under 10 minutes, you'll gain about 200 kilometers of range. That's the kind of convenience that changes how you think about EVs. And when it comes to endurance, the X9 doesn't disappoint, with up to 702 kilometers of range on the CLTC test cycle, or roughly 430 miles on a full charge. The liquid cooling system ensures the battery maintains optimal temperature, whether you're speeding out the highway or fast charging at a station. It even includes smart regulation. Uses a network of LiDAR, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and high-definition cameras to build a 360-degree real-time map of your surroundings. This system can keep lanes, change lanes, overtake slower vehicles, and even navigate complex urban environments, all with remarkable precision.